Hey guys, Melissa here, showing you a new fingerprint trigger lock for any handgun or really any model that the trigger lock can fit on. How it works and why it's unlike any other trigger lock is obviously it is going to open only by the person who programs Fingerprint. So essentially what you do and how to install it is very easy. Take out the products, take out the cord, and here first you're going to charge it using this guy, and it will just fit nicely into here. Now you're going to take the default lock if for some reason you needed to get access to your trigger lock. It does come with an actual key that will also unlock the trigger. Make sure you do not allow anyone to get access to this key. Take out this rubberized pad over the main lock. Once you see this, you're going to use the alternate key, this little pin, and you're going to plug it into the set button and just press it for about 1 to 2 seconds until you can see this blue dot. Okay, that means that you can now program the finger that you're going to open up your lock with, place it on the fingerprint scanner 6 times, putting it in different directions. Once it stops blinking blue and it is solid, that means it is ready to be used. It should work now and be ready to go for you to use it on your lock. Put the rubberized pad back, and now find any trigger of any firearm that you're wanting to lock. This goes through one side and the other, locking it in place like such. Until it doesn't want to click anymore. So now your trigger lock is on there. This gun is not going anywhere. It's not falling off. The other side is not falling off. And it is pretty on there. Not coming off. Now, using my finger, we're going to see if it works. There you go. And there you have it. We will try that one more time just to show you guys. Okay. Take my finger and there you have it. All right, guys. Well, that's how it works. And if you are interested, we are now stocking these at Dragon Man's. You can also find them on our online store, moderndefense1.com, and you can get these. They are under $100. So for under $100, now no excuse, and it will definitely come in handy for those who need it most. Thanks for watching.